Hey everybody, I'm asking you to work with a document that I've already created. It'll look a little bit different from this because I'm not done. But the way to do that, to make a copy of it, there's two ways. If you want to work in Google Docs, you have to be signed into Google Docs, so I'm signed into my other account. And you can tell it to go to File and say make a copy, and then you can just make your own copy of it. So I could do like, alright, let's pretend my name's Johnny. I'm going to save my own copy of it. And now I have my Johnny copy that I can share with the instructor when I want to eventually share it. A reminder, you have to go in here and click change to anyone with a link. And then I can share that link. So I can erase, delete, move stuff around in here, and the original copy will be fine. The other option is if you use Word, and you like to use Word more than Google Docs, you can go to File, Download, and you can download it into whatever you want. Don't do a PDF because you won't be able to edit it. That would be sad. But these give you options. And then all you have to do is just re-upload it at whatever you save it as. So come into this. You can't edit it where it is, but you can make copies of it and mess with it and do whatever you want. Make your own little outline here and